हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ लंबे डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं। ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से है। इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू। इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू। तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? वाई डिड यू डू दैट? वाई डिड यू डू दैट? मैं अभी बात नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to talk now. I don't want to talk now. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करने ही वाला था। I was just about to call you. I was just about to call you. मुझे यकीन नहीं होता कि तुमने ऐसा कहा। I can't believe you said that. I can't believe you said that. तुम्हें मुझे पहले बता देना चाहिए था। You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier. तुम ऐसा व्यवहार क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you behaving like this? मैं तुम्हारा बहुत देर से इंतज़ार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you so long. I was waiting for you so long. मेरा इरादा तुम्हें चोट पहुंचाना नहीं था। इन इंग्लिश, आई डिडंट मीन टू हर्ट यू। आई डिडंट मीन टू हर्ट यू। नेक्स्ट वन, मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या हुआ। इन इंग्लिश, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से। आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से। नेक्स्ट वन, तुम्हारा मन बदलने की वजह क्या थी? What made you change your mind? What made you change your mind? तुम ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो? How can you say such a thing? How can you say such a thing? मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह सही है। I don't think this is right. I don't think this is right. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है। I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. तुम्हें इसकी चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए। You should not worry about it. You should not worry about it. मैं तुम्हें यही पूछने वाला था। I was just going to ask you. I was just going to ask you. मुझे नहीं पता कि तुम्हारा शुक्रिया कैसे करूं। I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. मैं भी यही सोच रहा था। I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking the same thing. मैं इस काम से खुश नहीं हूँ। I am not happy with this work. I am not happy with this work. मैं घंटों से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I have been waiting for hours. I have been waiting for hours. Next one, मुझे तुमसे ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you tell me before? मैं भी वही कहने वाला था। I was going to say the same. I was going to say the same. Next one, मुझे नहीं पता यह क्यों हुआ। I don't know why this happened. I don't know why this happened. क्या तुम मुझे यह दोबारा समझा सकते हो? Can you explain this to me again? Can you explain this to me again? मुझे इस फैसले पर यकीन नहीं है। I don't believe, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं I am not sure about this decision. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए। You should not talk like that. You should not talk like that. मैं तुम्हारा क्या कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I will never forget what you did. I'll never forget what you did. केवल मुझे दोष देना उचित नहीं है. It's not fair to blame me alone. It's not fair to blame me alone. तुम्हें कल मेरी मदद करनी चाहिए थी. You should have helped me yesterday. You should have helped me yesterday. मैं तुमसे बहस नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to argue with you. तुम समय पर क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come on time? Why didn't you come on time? मेरा मूड बात करने का नहीं है. I am not in a mood to talk. I am not in a भी कह सकते हैं, द भी कह सकते हैं. I am not in the mood to talk. तुम हमेशा वही गलती करते हो. You always make the same mistake. मुझे यकीन नहीं होता कि यह हो रहा है. I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is happening. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? In English, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? अगला सेंटेंस, मेरे पास अभी इसके लिए समय नहीं है. I don't have time for this now. I don't have time for this now. मैं बता नहीं सकता कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा है. I can't explain how I feel. I can't explain how I feel. तुम कभी मेरी बात नहीं सुनते. In English, you never listen to what I say. You never listen to what I say. तुम मुझे इस तरह क्यों नज़रअंदाज कर रहे हो? Why are you ignoring me like this? Why are you ignoring me like this? मुझे नहीं पता कि आप कैसे प्रतिक्रिया दो. I don't know how to react now. I don't know how to react now. तुम पर विश्वास करना बहुत कठिन है. It's very difficult to trust you. It's very difficult to trust you. तुम्हें दूसरों की भावनाओं का सम्मान करना चाहिए. You should respect other people's feeling. You should respect other people's feeling. मैं तुम्हारे जवाब से संतुष्ट नहीं हूँ. I am not satisfied with your answer. I am not satisfied with your answer. क्या तुमने जो कहा वह दोहरा सकते हो? Can you please repeat what you said? Can you please repeat what you said? Next one. मुझे नहीं पता कि और क्या करूं. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. तुम हमेशा मुझे ही क्यों दोष देते हो? Why are you always blaming me? Why are you always blaming me? मुझे तुमसे अकेले में बात करनी है. मुझे तुमसे अकेले में बात करनी है. I need to talk to you alone. तुम्हें ऐसा दोबारा कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. You should never behave like this again. You should never behave like this again. Well, that was the last sentence we learned today in this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and thanks for all your support.